Welcome to planetghost.com. In the previous tutorial we made a new link here with name tech. Once we click on this tech, it will list all the articles that would come under the section tech. Now while creating the content under article, when we select tech, we get the content under tech. But what if we select films? We want the content to appear under films. Now you might be thinking that we have to follow the same procedure again and make a new view altogether. No, we don't have to create a new view for that, but we can add one more thing in the same view. While creating a view, the first thing what we do is we go on the first column and we create a new section, we create a new page or a block here. So we can add a new page, add display. We'll just click on add display. Now we can name this as films, as we want the films section to appear. You've updated it. Now you have the default title as tech, which was used in the previous page. Now you want this page title to be different, so you have to keep it as films. But now if you click on update, it will also update the title in tech and it will also change it to films. So make sure before updating you have to click on this override button. Once you click on override, you can just update it and it will only appear over here. You can check it, you can go and check it on tech. The name for title would remain the same in tech, and in page it will be films. Now we will obviously use the pager, say full pager element is nothing. We'll again click on override. Make sure every time while selecting anything you click on override, because you just want those things to appear on that particular page. Now everything remains the same. All what we need to do is, in this content type, we just want content section to remain different. We want only films to appear here. So we'll click on films and we'll override this thing again, and we'll click on update and we'll save it. Now we have under tech, we have tech as content section. If you see it, we have clicked on tech page now and we are seeing everything remains the same, only the content section that we've added is tech. And if we go to films, we will see the content section as films. Yeah, one more thing we need to do is add a path, as we need a new path. For it we'll make it films, we'll update it and save it. We will see again the path for both would be different. Path for tech is tech and for films would be remain films, as we've added films in this thing. Now we'll create a new menu item, like in the same manner how we created for tech. We'll click on primary links, we'll add a menu item, say films. And we'll save it. Once that is done, you will click on films and you'll see the list of films that you have created. Right now I had just added 2 films, so that is showing up here. If I click on films, if I create a content, say article, I'll add new film, say hangover, and I'll select it as films. I'll place some default content here. We can add your images, anything, whatever you feel like doing. Save it, and you'll see this new movie that we have, the new article that we just entered will be listed here. In the previous tutorial, you know how we had created the sort order. Now once we create it, the new article will appear at the bottom. If we want the latest one to appear on top, we had learnt it how we do that via views using the sort criteria over here. If you add a sort criteria, it will show you the latest created post on top. Note post date, add in descending as you want the latest one to appear. Now you see hangover, which I've just put right now, is on top. Okay, this is it for this tutorial. Thank you.